Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I made some YouTube videos, but I figured I'd do an update on the Tahoe since I put new wheels and tires on it. The last video I did with wheels and tires to see what would, fit on your factory Tahoe did pretty good, so I figured I'd make another one. I previously had 285 75 16s on some Hummer wheels. The Hummer wheels weren't super great, but the tires were awesome. But I got a different set of wheels and tires. They're a pretty good deal. These are takeoffs off a 2007 to 2013 Z71 Silverado, Tahoe, or Suburban, and they have really good tires on them, so that's why I picked them up. And the tires are bigger than the factory tires. These are currently 275 65 18s. I believe the factory size that comes on these wheels are 265 65 18s, but these are pretty close to a 33. I believe they're a 32 or a 32 and a half, but they clear with no issue. So here's at full rub, or not full rub, full turn. They have no issue turning to the right. And then here's what it looks like on the other side. No issue here, no issue there. It looks close, but when you're driving, there's no issues even if you hit a bump. I know the one downside of the dirt tracks, which I didn't have this issue till like a year after I had them on, is in the rear. See, it broke up some of that mud flap there. That is not because of these 275 65 18s. These are because the 285 75 16s, if you were going uphill and turned sharply, it would flex enough, I guess, to rub on it and bust that up. But other than that, these 275 65 18s have no issues. So they're awesome. They're a great tire. I've never heard of these tires before, but they're quiet and they do good in the snow. I'm sure they're some Chinese, not a great brand, or Walmart tire, but they seem to work good for me. And I figured I'd let you guys know that they'd fit on your factory Tahoe, Yukon, or Suburban, like good stuff.